In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix missing Bluetooth in Windows. So for it, just go to your Windows setting. So just go to the search option, then search over here, setting, and here you can settings. Just click on this. Then you need to go to the Bluetooth and devices. Just click here. After that, here you can see devices. So here you can see add device. So we're going to click on this, and here you can see Bluetooth. So we need to click here and it will show us a issue that Bluetooth is missing or Bluetooth is not turned on. So here we're going to click on this option, get help with Bluetooth. Just click here and it will open in a browser. So here you can see Windows 11 and Windows 10. So we are using Windows 11. So right now what you need to do is that just select your Windows version, then go down and here you can see run the troubleshooter in get help. So we're going to click on this button and here we need to give a permission. We're going to give allow and then click here open. So after that, wait a few seconds and here you can see it will pop a windows like this, and here you can see troubleshoot Bluetooth problem in Windows. So it will automatically look for the issue and here it will ask for a few questions. So do you have your consent? So we need to just give the permission. So we're going to say here yes, then we need to go down and we need to click here continue, and there you can see it will load for a few seconds. Just wait patiently and Microsoft will automatically fix your Bluetooth issue. So there you can see it just check the Windows update, and after that here it is telling us to go to the Windows update. So for it, what you can do is that we can just go to the setting. Let me just close this and here you can see home option. If I now click on home, and here you can see we have the Windows update option, and there you can see there is a update available. Here you can see download and install. So we're going to click here, so it will install the update. So sometime if your Windows is not up to date, then your Bluetooth might go missing, and there you can see our update is complete. Let me just check it again, check for update, and there is a few more update as you can see. So you should also check if there is any update in the Windows. So here you can see all the download and installation is complete. So here there is some pending restart. So here you can see we need to restart. So before that, let me just go to this option. Here you can see. So here it is asking us a question, do you see a restart required message in the Windows update window? So we're going to say here yes. So right now what we need to do is that we just need to shut down our PC and then we need to start our PC again. So right now let me just close this. Let's close this again. And this time what we'll do is that we'll go to our Windows start icon and I'm going to click on this button, and here you can see update and shutdown. So I'm going to click here. So I'll just restart my device and I'll show you whether it fix our Bluetooth or not. So there you can see I just restarted my PC, and right now if I just go to the right corner, and here you can see right now we have the Bluetooth icon available. So I hope this tutorial was useful. Make sure to subscribe and I hope to see you in the future tutorials.